Now that you have unboxed the hardware that comes in the GoToRoom with Poly Huddle X50 kit, let's begin setting it up. If you'd like, you can use the provided accessories to mount the video bar. Let's start with the video bar. Grab the HDMI cable and connect it to the video bar and to your display. Connect the Ethernet cable to the back of the video bar and to an office network. Now connect the power cable to the video bar and plug the other end into the wall. Once turned on, you'll be prompted to register the device. Now take out the Poly TC8 touch panel. Connect the Ethernet cable to the touch panel and to the same subnet as your video bar. This should be a Power over Ethernet capable port. Your touch panel should automatically pair to your device. If it doesn't, you can manually pair it by going to your web browser. Type in the credentials found on the display, go to General Settings and Device Management, and under Available Devices, your TC8 will appear. Click Pair to manually pair it to your device. For more information, please visit our support site at support.goto.com/meeting.